Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download PostgreSQL into your Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, just open any of your favorite browser and then here you just need to type for PostgreSQL download. And then you will get this Postgre download website over here, and there will be a website called www.postgresql.org. So click on download PostgreSQL, and then here you will get the package to install which operating system you want to download. So there are quite a lot of operating system, but in this video we will go for this Windows. Click on Windows, and then you will get the download installer link over here. So if you click on that, then you will get this kind of interface over here, and from here you will going to select which operating system, which version you want to download. So I'll go for the updated version 17.2 into Windows x86 to x4. So I'm going to click on that, and then the download will be started very soon. You can see download is started, and it's only 333 MB, so it will take some more minutes to download. For that, keep patience. And you can see that this application is downloaded, and now I will going to drag it into this desktop, and it will show like this. If you click on it 2 times, there will be a permission. Click yes, and you can see that the installation wizard will be shows up. And if you just click on next another time, please check you all selected this checkbox and then click next another time. And here what you need to do, you just need to type a password that you can remember, and now click next and keep the port as it is and locate the default locate and click next and ready to install. So for the installation it will take some more minutes to install, so for that you just need to keep patience. And you can see that the setup wizard is completed, and now there will be an option called stock builder may be used to download and install additional tools, drivers and applications to complete your PostgreSQL installation. So if I just click finish, then you will get this kind of wizards over here. So I'm going to select the PostgreSQL 17, click next. Basically from here you just need to select which you want to download. For that, if we just need to select which one you just need to download, and everyone has different opinion to download different sort of things. So for that, if you need any of helps or if you want to know what you just need to download for your preferences, then leave a comment into the video comment section and I will make a dedicated video about the stock builder 4.2.2. So for now I'm going to leave it. And now I'm going to go for this app, and I'm going to get it. And here you can see the PostgreSQL over is here. So now I'm going to open it by clicking on pgAdmin 4. And you can see it's getting started. pgAdmin management tool for PostgreSQL. And now you can see that it's opened. And now what we can do, we just simply go for the server section. And here you can see that they are recording a password. That password you created or give before the video, your all server will be opened over here. And from here you can simply create a database or any of your need. So this is how you can download PostgreSQL into your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.